Matagal na siya since 2017. He was also former banker of RCBC Bank. So, matagal na siya sa mga ganitong industriya. That's why he is a reliable guru in this discipline. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to welcome him with round of applause, ha? Siya po ang country manager. He was designated as country manager for Prismoid as a token. May kapangalan siyang singer sa ating bansa. Okay. Let us welcome him with his partner also, si Sir. Si dalawa silang makit dito to enlighten us more regarding this company, Prismoid Asset Token. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome with round of applause, Sir Jeffrey Hidalgo.
Yay!
Sa pangalan niya sa singer, Jeffrey Hidalgo. Pero mas bata siya, mas gwapo siya.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. Okay,